Good evening, everyone. It's evening here anyways. I just wanted to share some pretty with you. And it is just beautiful. I'm into beauty today. So, I don't know. You know how your day doesn't really quite go the way that you expect it to, the way that you want it to. You kind of get frustrated and oppressed or agitated. Have you ever felt that way? It's seeming to me that blaming this on the Matrix or on evil in the world is just kind of like a blah, blah, blah excuse. I'm beyond that. I'm over it. It's like, don't get comfortable with doom and gloom and blasé feelings. You know, it's just basically our perception. It's our adequacy or inadequacy, you know, that's going to kind of determine our outcome. The measure of who I am is much more than fitting in. It's about who I am, what I am, you know. This is a discovery day. Day to open the eyes. So, that's what determines our outcome. The measure of our person. Who we are. Keep the vibration and the frequency lifted. Smile, laugh. Dance around the kitchen singing praise music or your favorite feel-good music. Smile. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Makes me feel better. I must look like a fool if anyone looked in the window, but I gotta tell you, by the time I'm done, I have more happiness in me than anybody can put in a wheelbarrow. Trying to keep all my focus on joy, being alive. It's just reason to celebrate. Every day I wake up. Every day I can do something from my heart for someone else. It's like giving my heart piece by piece to help someone, to share what I have inside. So I try to keep my joy and my love and my vibration high, so that whatever I give them is positive and that they could use it, instead of compounding negativity to negativity. If they're not well, I can only make them worse if I'm in the same mind frame they are, or spirit frame. I want to be a part of what changes people's lives for the better. I hope we all feel the same way, because that's what's going to change the world. That's what's going to help each other. Brothers and sisters to help brothers and sisters. Not to become part of the active matrix, but to be who you are, active in who you are. And whatever exists around you will run itself. But you determine what part of it you're in. You know? You don't want to be an active part of the game. Your existence is your own. Nothing owns you but your creator. So, I don't know why I'm talking about this. I guess sunsets and sun rays make me think. I think of love and being happy and filled with joy. You know? What kind words can you say to somebody? Do you have anything to share? Is there anything inside you can take off the shelf and give as a gift? Or do you need to dust your own knickknacks and organize and get ready? You know? Yeah. Yep. Be filled with love, brothers and sisters. Let it just pour out of you like a faucet turned on. Let it flow. A lot of things are changing around us. Let's not be a part of it. Let's help change. Get rid of the negative. Put positivity out there. Put on some music and dance in the kitchen. Sing out loud, whether you're with someone or not. Put a smile on your face and be filled with joy. Do that for a couple hours and see how you feel. Or just get on your knees and your face and pray. All these things work really well. Really well. Yep. Getting your focus. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Here we are, watching something else that's so beautiful. We're very fortunate to receive this. And to be alive, to share ourselves with others. We have to give glory and honor. Yeah, the kingdom is very important. And that's where we're going. We're going to be happy. There's no fear and pain where we're going. Look at that. Alright, it's a wrap. That was quite a chat, eh? My apologies, folks. Yeah. So pretty. I hope it shows up like this on the video when you see it. Because my colors that I'm seeing right now are just fantastic. It's usually better on the video when I'm doing it. Oh, where are we? CIRKEWWA? I don't know how you say it. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'll look it up. I'll put it in the description.